Let's meet Ariana, a fish and wildlife management student all the way from Indiana. Ariana moved more than 800 miles to pursue her passion for nature. And at OTC, she's gained real-world skills from becoming a certified wildland firefighter to earning Project Wild Educator status. Incredible. With award-winning faculty and hands-on learning, Ariana's story is about turning passion into purpose. Take it away, Ariana.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. Growing up, I always felt most at peace in nature, but I never thought I could turn that into a career. A few years ago, though, I made a big leap. I moved 800 miles away from my hometown to pursue a reality I never thought possible, going to school for something I'm passionate about. That big leap led me to OTC's Fish and Wildlife Management program. One of the most impactful experiences has been learning from instructors like Miss Casey Corbett, an award-winning instructor. She's not only an incredible teacher, she has deep ties to the community and goes above and beyond to help her students succeed. Through her leadership, I've built my resume by becoming a certified Type 2 wildland firefighter and a Project Wild educator, and I've grown in ways I've never expected. It meant so much to me that I was named runner-up for OTC's Gold Student of the Year. It made me realize that my hard work and passion was being recognized. OTC isn't just preparing me for a job, it's shaping me for a lifelong career I believe in. OTC's location is perfect for hands-on learning. We're outside studying what we'll one day help to protect. One of my favorite places on campus is the wooded area behind the Jack Hill building, and there's also a pond that our program helps maintain. Everything we do prepares us for what's next, and it's all supported by exceptional instructors and staff who truly care. I've learned that it's never too late or too far to find your purpose. OTC helped me turn my passion into a path. I'm excited to keep growing, transfer to a four-year university, and eventually serve as a national park ranger. That's my story. Throwing it back to you, Alex.
What an inspiring journey from Indiana to Georgia. You've proven that following your passion leads to remarkable opportunities. Your certifications, fieldwork, and dedication to conservation show the power of hands-on learning at OTC. We can't wait to see you thrive as a future National Park Ranger. Best of luck, Ariana.